Hi guys, welcome back.
Welcome everybody.
Right, I'm doing something I very rarely do. I'm doing a pen. Okay. I was asked by now I'm sorry, I don't mean to be rude, I can't remember your name. I know you said you was new to turning, and would I do some pens or do a pen, and would I do some fruit? Well, fruit maybe I might get around to doing fruit, I don't know. But I'm going to do a pen today. Now this is because when Mark and Jennifer came, when Jennifer came here, she came here and had a lesson with me. They gave me a couple of pen kits. So, from Taylor Mirfield's. Okay, it's a click pen. Now, I've done Sierra pens, I've done all the other pens. I've never actually done a click pen, so I'm quite happy to do that. And I'd like to have a click pen. And gave me a couple of blanks as well. Here.
One for me, one for you.
Resin blanks. So Lisa's going to have that purpley one, and I'm going to do the red and green one. Probably going to do that one first. And also gave me the bushings for it, which was fantastic. Now I know Mark, I don't know whether he made these himself or had them made up, so that he could go between centres with it, because he doesn't like doing it on the mandrel. I don't know whether he has the screw up mandrel or what. He doesn't like because it flexes a bit. Well, I've got this one which goes in, and I've got a live centre for it. I bought this one off eBay actually. It was really cheap, so it was new, but sold as used. Yeah, 25 quid right now, so I bought it. Right, I'm putting a couple of bushings on there, just so, because these are tapered in at the end on there to go over a set, but I don't need that, so I'm gonna pop it on there. That's just gonna stop it. I've just put in an extra bushing, so I want to just bring it a little bit further away from the mandrel. Now, if you hear a rattling while I'm turning, guys, it's just that I've put my knockout, because this is done on a knockout bar. I can't do it on that lathe over there. I normally do, but I wanted to be on this lathe because I've got all the dogs sat down there. So my knockout bar is already in, and I've got a little thing. I've just put a bit of wood on the wall so it rests on it, so it can spin away, and it shouldn't interfere with it. It shouldn't make any noise, but if you hear a rattling, that's all it is. Right, so these have already been trimmed in the ends there. All the hard work's been done for me. Brilliant. Right, so I'm just popping those bushings on, so that just, and there you go. That's how my one works, and it just goes on, and then so it's no different to if I was tightening up on two centres going in. It's no different, but I'm doing it like this. Obviously I'm going to use a bit of, I'll leave it at that, I don't need to tighten it up anymore. I'm going to use a bit of carbide on this because it's resin. So I think carbide will be better. I know it will be better.
It will be better.
Right, yeah, the pen kit. Getting back to it.
Yeah.
Lisa's going off, see, she's all eager.
I'm eager beaver.
I've got two. I've got a gunmetal one and a gold one. Okay, Lisa's going to have the gold one. I prefer the gunmetal for myself.
Yeah.
Right, and it looks like a very easy kit with this. So we've got our refill. I've never really done this sort of pen before. So our refill with the spring. Then we've got this bit with the clicker in it. Okay. The bottom cap bottom bit that goes in, and then obviously you put your refill in, and then that will screw on afterwards. So as simple as that. I like that. A nice simple kit.
Yeah.
I like simple things.
Is that why you like me?
Oh, I'm glad you said that.
Yeah, no, because I did it before you did. I got in quick.
That's why I'm married, you darling.
Yeah.
Right, okay. So I'm putting that up there out of the way. Little drop of coin. Right, what we're going to use, right? Just a carbide. So I'm going to use my little one from my spindle turning. I'm just going to use the 12mm one. Okay, that's all I'm going to use. That you could use a 9mm if you want. Use whatever. I'm going to use a 12mm. Right, and we'll see how this goes. Most important thing with this one, and being it's a pen, is going to be the speed. So right, I'm going to start up. Everything's there good. Right, yeah.
That was a little bit.
Just a little bit of noise, that's all. We'll have to put up with that, I'm afraid, guys. It is what it is. Right, okay, now we're going up. Right, I'm at 3,086 RPM, okay? Oh, hang on. I'll move the coffee out of the way. A little bit high there. Now, of course, I would normally probably do wet sanding on this. Yeah, so I'm just going to give Lisa my little tub. So I take my sanding pads out. There you go, just a little bit of water in there. Thank you, darling. Right, okay, I'll carry on. Can't really turn this tooth, but if I try to go and take too much, I'm probably going to chip it, so. Yeah. Just need something to lift that a fraction more. There are. That's it. No, hang on. There's a bit of tape's moving on the wall, see? Yeah, that's better. That's better. I say normally I would use the other lathe. I never do pens on here. I don't ever use my knockout bar. I thought for this I'd do it. Right, I know it's got a pen fix. I don't know how bulky I can leave it in the middle. I've not done one of these pens, so. And remember, just always stay on the bevel. There's the bevel there. Stay on the bevel and you won't get no chip out. Especially on a pen, because if you get chip out on a pen, you haven't got room to take it out. Especially if you get it at this point. Right, it's getting a nice smooth finish cut now. You can see a slight bump just there. That's gone. I think that's just about right now. Sorry? Yeah, get rid of that. That's it, that's all gone. Get rid of that. That's it. Right, now I can see it better. Right, so I need a little bit more from here. There's something little bumpy bits just there. That's good, better, that's better. Right, okay, I think we might do a bit of sanding on that. Right. Now for the sanding on that, I'm going to start nice and smooth. I've got, sorry, 4, 6, 8. I've got up to 1,000 grit there first off. I'm going to start with that stripe. No, I'm not. Thank you, darling. Right, okay, I'm going to start with it dry. That's 400. I'm going to 6. We're going to go to 800. A 1,000. Thank you, darling. Right, so that, and that. Lowest one being down there. And then I've got 2,000. Right, lowest one's on the bottom. I've got a 2,000 and then a 3,000. And then a 3,000 for my final grit on this, at this, dry. There we go. And now, we're going to do some wet. Right, so I've got 8,000, 6,000, got them all a bit mixed up here. 15, that's my starting one. 18, 2, 4, 3,000. So 3, 6. Just stand by you. Right, so 3, 6, 4, so 4, 6, 8, 12, 15. Right, okay, that's what I want to start with. Right, okay, here we go. Get it wet. This ain't going to take long to go through the grits. And I am still at 3,088 RPM. I'm a speed freak. Huh? No. Well, actually, I can take my face shield off because I'm wet sanding, so I've got no dust to worry about. Might get a bit of water spit in my face, but never mind. I know a lot of people might not wet sand anymore, but I like to do it. I've always found my pens come up nice, my acrylics, my resins always come up nice if I do. This is looking very nice actually. I haven't looked at it yet.
Multiple colours in there.
Yeah, I haven't looked at it yet and I'm not going to until I finish. I'll have to sort something different for that. It only needs that little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I'll stop again now. I'll sort something better out for that. Right, last grit, I'm up to 12,000. Go. Put the lid on the water so I don't spill it. A bit of kitchen towel just to dry that off. Now we get that to shine. Stop it. a second. Let it go white. You see it's going a bit white, powdery there. Give that a second to dry. In the clean bit, and that should give me my shine. There we go, look at that. Right, let's have a look.
Oh,
look at the colours in that.
Wow, Jen.
Yeah. Well done, Jennifer.
Yeah.
Because Jennifer cast this herself.
A multitude of colours in there.
Oh, that's hot. That got hot. Right, take those bushings off for a minute. There we go. All I've got to do now is decide which way round
You want the up
I'm going to
and
put
down?
that on my pen.
Yeah.
Right, okay. Let me see.
Let me see.
And of course I've got to be able to push the bits in as well without damaging anything. So, yeah. Right, okay. Let's have a look. I don't have a press or anything like that. I'm going to have to just push these in.
As best as you can.
Probably using my vice I've got here. Right, hang on. I'll need to sort out so I can use my vice. Hang on, let me get some. Oh. You still with me, guys?
Yeah.
Right. Sorry. Right, okay. These will sort of bring you over.
Right,
You might be
let
able
me
to see
just.
my vice. I'm hoping this is going to be coming out big enough. Yeah, it should do. It should do. Right, now, which side do I want to the top and which to the bottom? I have that for the bottom down there. I think I'll go where, I don't know. Actually, oh, that's quite nice there. No, I think I'll put the clip round that side because I don't want to spoil that. Right, okay, so I haven't, as I say, I haven't got a pen press, so I'm going to use my vice here. Oh, that works perfect.
Just to push.
Let's push that in. Right, now I've got to push this bit in. I don't know where the spring's gone actually. I did have a spring. I know.
Did you tip it out?
I don't know. I don't know where I don't know where I've put the spring.
Take it from
Right.
the other one for now.
I'll find it. I'll find it. Yep. Right. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to push this bit in.
Just see what you're pushing. How you're pushing it. Oh, yeah.
There we go. Just like that. Just push those end bits in. Where did I put the spring?
So you separated each one into the packet, didn't you?
Yeah.
You said it was already in your one, but it's in there. Look, it's in that little cup bit.
It is in there.
It's fallen in that.
Oh, right, okay. I have got panic over, guys. It's all right, stop looking, I found it. Stop looking.
Lisa to the
I
rescue
found
again.
it. Right, let me close that up, otherwise I'm going to walk around and go into it. Very handy, these carpenter devices, you know. They work fantastic as a pen press. All that money you pay out for a pen press, and they work brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Dry that up. Get that all off. Dry your eyes, mate. Right, okay, I'm going to get a fresh bit of tissue down to put this on. There we go. There it is, yes. Right, so that should go in there. And that should screw down on there. Like so. Oh, it only gone and worked.
Only went and blooming done it.
Only gone and done it, haven't I? Only gone and done it.
Only gone and done it.
And it only
works.
Look at that.
Sign away, sign away.
Look at that.
Let me see how to sign the checkbook. I love me.
Yeah, I love me.
Oh, you vain.
Oh.
You're so vain.
Oh, don't. I love
You're
me.
so vain.
I love me. I really. There you go, guys. Look at that pen. Look at that.
Let me focus
Right.
in on it.
Thank you.
That's really beautiful colours.
Thank you, Jennifer and Mark, for that. Yep, Jennifer and Mark Straughton. Okay. And that's beautiful. And yeah, Jennifer cast these herself, the acrylic there, the resin, the pen brush, she's done them herself. I actually really like those pens.
Yeah.
Oh, I might be going over to Taylor Mirfield's to get some of these click pens. I really like that.
Dan, make sure you've got some in store.
They're really quick and simple to do, aren't they? They're really nice. Nice and easy. And that acrylic, look at that, see?
Really
no negative rakes needed.
No, and smooth.
Just your 12mm.
Smooth as a baby's
Look at
bum.
that. Smooth. Glass-like. Right, there we go, guys. Just a quick one on a pen. I shall have to get Lisa's one done now.
Yep.
So
we match.
Which I might video it and you can see me do another one. I'll do another video and you can watch them both if you want to. Okay? Yeah. Just in case you missed anything from this one.
Yeah.
Right, okay guys. Thank you for joining me and I'll see you on the next one. Toodle pip.
Bye guys.